Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to the Ethereum Mainnet. First, you will need to install the MetaMask browser extension from its official website. Once installed, you can either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one using your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask is designed to automatically connect to the Ethereum Mainnet upon setup, making your initial connection straightforward. This ensures you are ready to interact with the primary Ethereum blockchain right away. To confirm your connection, open your MetaMask extension. At the top of the wallet interface, you will see a network drop-down menu. Click on this menu and ensure that Ethereum Mainnet is prominently displayed and selected. This visual confirmation indicates that your wallet is successfully connected to the primary Ethereum blockchain, allowing you to view your assets and transactions on this network. If you encounter any connection issues, there are a few simple troubleshooting steps. First, try refreshing your browser or restarting it completely. Next, always verify that your internet connection is stable and working correctly. Also, make sure your MetaMask extension is updated to its most recent version, as older versions might have compatibility problems. These steps often resolve common connection glitches quickly. Protecting your MetaMask wallet is paramount. Always keep your secret recovery phrase absolutely private. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Use strong, unique passwords for your wallet and enable any available two-factor authentication. Be extremely cautious of phishing attempts and only interact with official websites and links. Following these security best practices will significantly help safeguard your valuable digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.